Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. I'm standing on the bow of a 2005 Hinckley Talaria 55. This yacht is listed for sale by Worth Avenue Yachts. If you know anything about Hinckley, you know they design and build some incredible yachts, and this one is no exception. A couple of things to point out before we get started. This yacht has Hamilton water jets, which means there's no propeller on this yacht. It also has some incredible performance with its very awesome engines. It has twin MAN engines, which are 1,300 horsepower each. And I'll just say it right now at the beginning of the video. This boat tops out at around 41 knots, can cruise comfortably at 35, and it has around 400 miles of range. In my opinion, this yacht is a steal at its current listing price, so let's go ahead and check it out. So the first thing I wanted to point out on the bow is this incredibly large storage locker. So when you open this up, you'll see the incredibly large storage area that can be accessed on either side. This yacht has a very wide beam, so there's plenty of space to throw out some cushions and lie out and enjoy the sun out here. I also really like the built-in storage compartments for fenders, all up and down the decks. The glass doors into the main salon are curved on a track system, but you can open them up all the way on either side, opening up this entire space. So let's head inside, and you'll see the floor is a beautiful tulip wood, and there's also varnished cherry antique all throughout the rest of the yacht. On the port side, you have a TV that rises up right here. And there are a couple of custom chairs on the port side. In here you have your AV equipment. And opposite of that is this wraparound dining area. This table is actually controlled electrically, so this will lower, and then you can add another cushion to add another berth in this area. You have some bottle storage right here. So like I said, this is a 2005, but there have been some upgrades made over the years. Most recently, they updated all of the electronics on the boat. So you have a twin Simrad multifunction display system. This controls everything from your radar, charts, autopilot, the works. You have your trim tab controls right here. Your steering wheel. Here's your throttle control. And then here is the Hinckley jet stick system. This yacht actually comes with Hamilton water jets, so there's no propellers or IPS pods. The joystick will control the jets as well as the bow thruster to maneuver the boat in any direction you please. The Hamilton water jets are great because it's safe for when you're swimming, and it also allows you to cruise in very shallow waters. The draft on this boat is only 2 feet and 11 inches. These TID Helm seats are electronically controlled, so you can customize the position however you need. And the table in the salon/dining area is also powered. So if you press this button here, so you can raise and lower the table. Let's see what's underneath here. Looks like an ice maker. You'll see all this beautiful custom woodwork up on the ceiling and surround sound speakers all throughout the main salon. The electrical panel is to the right. And if we move down the stairs on the port side, we will find the galley. So this has a 2-burner electric cooktop. You have your double sink and a convection microwave oven. There's some dry storage right here, as well as a freezer chest. You have a trash compactor. And you have twin drawer refrigerators. Here is the guest cabin on this yacht. This is a 2-cabin layout. You can see more of that beautiful woodwork. And you have twin beds in this room. Here are those info cushions that go over the table in the salon if you want an extra berth. And there's a closet separating these 2 berths. Now the guest cabin does not have an ensuite, but the day head with a full shower is right here. So you can see your toilet and sink. And then these glass panels will move over, shielding off a separate shower area. Forward in this hallway, we have a storage area as well as a Miele washer-dryer combo. Then you have another fantastic storage area behind these doors. There's actually a central vacuuming system that's connected right here. And more storage drawers. Now another custom feature that the original owner selected were these custom honey onyx countertops. You'll see those all throughout the master cabin. This is a really good sized cabin for a yacht this size. You have a TV forward mounted on the wall and a small desk area. You can see storage built all along the walls on either side. And of course, this has its own ensuite. We have more of that custom onyx countertop, your toilet, and the shower stall. Let's check out one of the closets really quick. It really is hard to put into words how beautiful this master cabin is. Hinckley did an incredible job with all the woodwork in here. So I already talked about some of the engine performance and how fast this boat is. We actually cannot see the engines today, unfortunately. So I magically opened the hatch for you guys. And here are the Hamilton water jets. There's also a brand new Northern Lights generator that was installed a couple months ago. And then as you can see in the cockpit, there isn't a fixed table, but of course you can add one. And you have some lovely seating areas on either side. And this bench seat will also fold up into the transom, so you have some extra space back here on the cockpit. Let's just do one more quick look of the inside. This really is such a beautiful yacht. So if you want to see more, Make sure to click the link in the description so you can check out the listing for yourself. I think we'll finish the tour right here at the helm. So thank you so much for watching the tour, and thank you so much for all your comments, likes, and subscribes. Thank you to Worth Avenue Yachts for setting up the tour. This listing will be linked down in the description below if you want to see this yacht in more detail. Until next time.